Why you should choose Ywdiml OBD2 car scanner diagnostic tool. Fast engine fault code reader for universal OBD vehicles. The Ywdiml OBD2 car scanner diagnostic tool is a practical and reliable solution for quickly diagnosing engine and emission-related issues across a wide range of vehicles. Designed to work with standard OBD2 protocols, this scan tool allows users to read and clear engine fault codes within seconds, helping identify the cause of the check engine light and potential emission problems. It supports essential diagnostic functions such as live data streams, real-time curves, freeze frame data, I/M readiness status, and vehicle information retrieval, enabling a comprehensive view of vehicle health. With a compact and lightweight design, the scanner is easy to operate with one hand and convenient to carry in a pocket or toolbox. It supports 6 languages, making it suitable for users across different regions. Built with durable ABS material, the device offers excellent impact resistance and long-term reliability. Compatible with 99% of OBD2 compliant vehicles, including SUVs, RVs, and trucks, the Ywdiml OBD2 scanner is suitable for both beginners and experienced automotive professionals. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.